Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'll show you the difference between variable declaration and variable initialization in JavaScript. So let's get started. So what is variable declaration? So variable declaration is nothing but the process of defining or creating of a variable but not assigning any value to it. So let me write it down first. So the process of creating or defining of a variable but not assigning any value to it. As we have let a var xyz. So these are simply variable declaration. As you can see, we haven't assigned any value to it. So these are simply called as variable declarations. So now let us move on to variable initialization. What is initialization? It means assigning values to the variable. As we have let a is equal to 10, where b is equal to 100, or we can also have const xyz is equal to 30. So as we can see, we are assigning value to the variable. So this is known as variable initialization. Or we can say when we initialize the variable, we did both. We declared it as well as assigned value to it. So this combinedly known as variable initialization. And there is one more thing. We can initialize the variable at the time of declaration or later on in the code. So let me write it down. So as we have let a is equal to 10 or var xyz is equal to 100. So we will simply call this that we initialize the variable at the time of declaration only. And on the other hand, we can also initialize the variable later on in the code. We can also have let a is equal to 10 or var b. So as you can see, we have declared the variable here and we assign the value later on in the code. So it will not give any kind of error. So let me show you by consoling it. So it gave the value 10 and 100. So we can also initialize the variable later on in the code. But we cannot do this with const keyword. We cannot have, it will give error. As const keyword needs to be initialized at the time of declaration only. So if we try to console log this, it will give error. Yes, so it gave error missing initializer in const declaration. We can do this with let or var keyword, but we cannot do this with const keyword, as it should be initialized at the time of declaration only. So yes, we cannot do this with const, but we can achieve this with let and var keyword. So these were the differences between variable declaration and initialization. So thank you so much for watching.